beautiful people, it's Halcyon. We are going to go through how to get this beautiful celestial Virgo inspired makeup look. Yes, it is the Virgo season. How exciting! Oh, I just love the purple and the textures and the shine and the glitters. This look is just so magical. If you want to know how to get this look, just keep watching. I started by priming my face with moisturizer and sunscreen. I did this off camera. I also used a lip balm, and look! It's almost finished! How exciting! Starting with the makeup, we are going to apply a color corrector under the eyes. I used this peachy color corrector from Pixi. Next, I'm applying the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Next, I will be doing my brows with the Wet n Wild brow pencil. Next, I prime my eyes with the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in the shade Eden. We'll start the eyeshadow with the Menagerie Cosmetics Flight Club palette. I'm using the darkest matte purple with a very tiny pencil brush. Start by sketching out the shape of the eyeshadow very lightly. The final look will be a double wing shape, so you're going to create a wing above where you would put a normal wing. When you have your shape down, fill in and darken, and blend, blend, blend. Next, I'm taking Sky Puppy, which is a lighter, warmer purple, to blend into and blend out darker purple. Next, I'm going to take a very small amount of a matte black to deepen up the corner. Blend this out really well and start small and build up.
Go between the colors as much as you like to perfect your blend. Do the same on the other eye. Use the lighter purple shade, in my case, Sky Puppy, all over the lid. Next, we're going to take NYX Glitter Primer on a thin angled brush. Place the glitter primer in the shape of a wing. Start in the middle of the eye, bring the wing out, and then after you do that, go to the inner corner and bring the wing in to make a fox eye shape. With that same brush, take a very high shine metallic silver shadow. I'm using Satellite from Give Me Glow. You're going to use this shadow and place it exactly over the primer in a wing shape. Use stamping motions for the best results. There should be a small amount of space between the two wings to give this a double wing look. I also stamped the silver shadow in the very front part of my lower lash line. Next, I'm going to add a glittery iridescent topper. This is the shade Ice Giant from Terra Moons Cosmetics. It's very lovely purple. This is one of their iridescent chameleon shadows. First, I'm going in with a small flat brush in the inner corner. Then I'm going to pat it all over my lids with my finger. Next, I'm going to line my waterline with a silver eye pencil. Next, I'm going to use the Companion palette from Copacetic Cosmetics in collaboration with M. Jones 5018. I'm using the top left shade, which is called Nina. It's a pressed flaky, so I'm patting it on to add some sparkle and texture because this look didn't look magical enough. Next, I'm going to curl my lashes. Next is mascara. I'm using the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. I'm using the Essence Lash Princess Mascara to layer over the other mascara. Next, I'm going to highlight using a lavender highlighter. I'm using the Becca Prismatic Amethyst. Next, I'm going to use a fun purpley pink ombre brush from Wet n Wild. This is called In a Purple Haze. For the lips, I chose a dark purple lippy. I happen to have one from Colourpop. This is the Be-Dazzled Matte Liquid Lipstick. And that's it. The look is complete.